Welcome to the Lifestyle channel. This is Billy. For this video, this gonna be a quick tour for the Kimco Like Scooter of the Week natin. And the owner is Kuya Arman, kasama natin sa Like from the Southside group. This is a Kimco Like 125 Italia, but the engine has been upgraded from 125cc to 150cc, and it was done by Boss Christian ng The Fengs Garage. Pinalitan din yung original Italia front panel to the old front panel ng Like 125. Pinalitan na rin yung stock halogen bulb ng headlight to Novsight LED. Kinabitan siya ng JM Mirasol na smoke windshield. Pinakabitan din siya ng DSK mini driving lights para mas maliwanag yung ilaw mo sa gabi. Pinalitan din yung brown stock na floorboard to a black floorboard. Yung stock seat, ginawang camel back seat with a diamond pattern. Naka-analog gauge nga pala ang Kimco Like 125. Naglagay din siya ng push lock cellphone holder. Ang kit ng Ironman ignition key cover. From stock pipe to VMAX power pipe. From stock Kenda tires, pinalitan na siya ng Sobek tires na ang size is 120/70/12. Aside sa electric start, meron din siyang kickstart. Sobek tires din yung sa likod na ang size is 130/70/12. Upgraded na rin yung rear shocks nito sa YSS DTG. From stock fan to MTRT racing fan. Naglagay din ng stainless rear rack for top box. Ito yung side-by-side looks ng Kimco Like 125 and Kimco Like 150i.